evening again. I'm right outside of my appointment place, the Lock Network. I'm getting ready to go in and get my hair done. I still say it looks really good, but I know it does need to be done. There's a lot of new growth. I can take my finger and do like this and all that's loose. And I hope that's all just new growth. I'm looking forward to getting my hair done, and I will see you right afterwards. See you later. Now just look at this hair. It is amazing. After I've gotten my hair retightened, I realized that now that it is done, it is nice and neat. My hair does not even look as gray as it did before. I had no issues again. My hair, my scalp is not sore. Valerie did my hair, and it was a wonderful experience. I think I took a short nap while she was doing it because I went back to work today, and that's always a little bit tiring, even though I didn't really do that much work. It was good, y'all. It was good. I'm going to turn around so you can see my hair. You can see my grid much better than you could when I showed it to you earlier on a previous video. So you can see the back. It looks good, and I am pleased. I got my hair retightened. I'm happy. I got my appointment set for next month with Flo, who will be coming back off of leave. So everything's just flowing great with these sister locks. I still had no issues. They're growing fast to me. And yeah. This is a sister who loves her locks, and the videos will be plenty in 2020. I still have to figure out my schedule. I don't want to do more than 2 videos a week because I don't want to bombard you, and I don't just want to be coming before you just to be rambling. So maybe 2 videos a week, or maybe just 1. We'll see. Comment below, 2 or 1. Let me know, and also give me some ideas of what I can present to you. Thank you. Thank you to my subscribers, and stay tuned for whatever else comes after this clip. Thank you. Thank you.